Hello. Let me introduce you a new book, which explains all the elements of STEAM. But do you know, what is STEAM? STEAM is an acronym for science, technology, reading writing, engineering, art, and math education. We focus on these areas together, not only because the skills and knowledge in each discipline are essential for student success, but also because these fields are deeply intertwined in the real world, and is how students learn most effectively. Now, let's get back to our book. Our book, called Short Circuits, will teach children about STEAM around them, through paper circuits and stories that explain the uses, relevance or functions of those circuits in the real world. We have stories and circuits about insects, objects, cars, boats and many more. Through these books, parents and students alike can experience STEAM all around them, while also learning about the wonderful world of electronics. We break down each element of the stories and the circuits for the mentor, teacher or parent, who will in turn teach it to children. This helps them understand the relevance of learning science, math, language and art from an early stage. The Short Circuits book provides an excellent opportunity to spend quality time with children, whether it is a grandmother teaching her grandchildren, a parent with their young children, or an elementary teacher in school. This book will help broaden children's understanding of the world around them. One circuit at a time.